You work hard every single day, yet somehow your bank account doesn't seem to agree with your effort. The rent's paid, the bills are done, and still there's nothing left to save. But what if I told you that you could save $10,000 in just 1 year, without feeling broke, without cutting out everything fun, and without getting a second job? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today we're breaking down the exact 5-step system that real people are using right now to completely change their financial lives. By the end of this video, you'll see how simple habits, not massive sacrifices, are the secret to building wealth quietly, starting today. So grab your coffee and let's fix your money once and for all. Welcome to our channel where we turn money stress into money strength. Every week, we break down practical personal finance strategies that help you save smarter, spend wiser, and finally reach financial peace. If you're tired of working hard and still feeling stuck, hit that subscribe button because this is the start of your financial comeback. Here's the truth most people don't want to admit. We don't have an income problem. We have a leak problem. The average American spends over $1,400 a year on subscriptions they don't use, $3,000 on impulse purchases, and thousands more on convenience. We think we're in control, but our money is quietly slipping away. $20 here, $50 there. You've probably tried budgeting before, downloaded the app, made a spreadsheet, promised yourself this time would be different, but by week 2, something happens. A birthday dinner, an unexpected bill, or a late-night craving. Suddenly, the budget is gone and the guilt sets in. Here's the secret. Saving money isn't about cutting everything out. It's about building a system that works even when you don't feel like it. And once you do, that $10,000 goal becomes not just possible, but automatic. Step 1. Know your flow. Before you can save, you need to see where your money's actually going. For the next 30 days, track every dollar, not to restrict yourself, but to gain awareness. Use free tools like Notion templates, Mint, or a simple Google Sheet. You might be shocked. Most people find hundreds in unintentional spending just by doing this one thing. Remember, you can't fix what you can't see. Step 2. Pay yourself first. The biggest mistake people make is saving last, after bills, after spending, after life. Flip the script. Every payday, automatically transfer 10 to 20% of your income into a separate savings account. This account shouldn't even be easy to access. Make it invisible. When you pay yourself first, saving becomes a habit, not a chore. You won't even feel it, and that's the magic. Step 3. Eliminate the silent killer. Bad debt. Debt is the silent killer of progress. Every dollar you owe is a dollar not building your future. Start with the avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first while paying minimums on the rest. Even adding $100 a month extra toward your highest interest card can save you thousands in the long run. Once you clear your first debt, roll that same amount into the next one. Momentum beats motivation every time. Step 4. Create a guilt-free budget. Budgeting doesn't mean restriction. It means freedom. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or debt payoff. The point isn't to cut joy. It's to create control. When you know what's okay to spend, you spend guilt-free, and that's sustainable. Step 5. Automate and forget. Automate transfers, bills, and investments. Willpower fades. Systems don't. Think of your finances like a self-driving car. Set the direction once, and it keeps moving even when you're tired. Meet Sarah, a 29-year-old designer who used to live paycheck to paycheck. She tracked her spending and found she was wasting $250 a month on small purchases. She automated $200 every payday and used the avalanche method to tackle $6,000 in credit card debt. 1 year later, Sarah saved $10,400, paid off her debt, and built an emergency fund. No second job, no cutting coffee, just a better system. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Saving money isn't about punishment, it's about freedom. Freedom to say yes to opportunities and no to stress. You don't need to be rich to start, you just need to start. Every dollar you save is proof your future matters. You're not behind, you're building. If this video helped you see money differently, hit that like button. Next week, we're diving into how to raise your credit score by 100 points in 30 days, legally and for free. Click here to watch next. Your future self will thank you. Comment your biggest money goal, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos that help you grow, save, and live better.